580 and 580 to 680. And the frequencies are FIs are 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Right. So let us first calculate the class marks. So class marks would be 510, 530, 550, 570, and 590. Right. Now, which should be the mean that I should assume? What would be the assumed mean?
DI is equal to XI minus A.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm asking about what should we assume?
Oh, it's 550.
5. So this is A. So our A is 550, right? Now let us calculate what would be uh, DI, which is XI minus A. So 510 minus 550, so minus 40. Then 530 minus, so minus 20. Then 0, then this is 20, and then this is 40. Right, Rifa? Now I calculate UI, right? So UI is DI by H. So class size is
You
20.
are doing step deviation method, right?
Yeah, yeah, because that is more simpler than this one. So that is why I'm using this. Okay, so class size is 20, right? So minus 40 by 20. So minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, and then 2. So you see that how much simplified this has become. So now I have to just multiply FIUI. So minus 2 into 12, minus 24, this is minus 40, this is 0, this is 6, and this is 20. So summation of FIUI, this would be how much? And summation of FI is how much? So this is 26 and 26 and 8, 34, 6, 40 and then 50. So this is 50. Now let us calculate. So this is 26 minus of 8 and 3, 38. So this is minus 12. Minus 12 we are getting. Now we have to find out B. This is A plus H FIUI divided by F. So A is 550 plus H is 20. This is minus 12 divided by 50. So this part cancels and we have 550 minus 24 by 5. Right, so this is how much? This is 550 minus, and this is 4, and this is 0.8. So then this is 0.2, and 9 minus 4, that is 5, and this is 4, so 540 point. This is the B, right? So is this the answer that you get from the direct method?
Eh, yeah, I got 545.2. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
got the answer with the direct method. Yeah.
yeah. So you see that how simpler it has become using this step division. So I only needed to multiply 2, 1, 1, 2, right? So this is the beauty of this step deviation method, that we can reduce the effort, right? So we can have this complicated multiplication. So earlier, from the direct method, this FIXI would be 12 into 510. 14 into 5, 530, 8 into this, 6 into this. So these are very big multiplication. But now from UI, this is only 12 into minus 2. So this is the use of this step division. This is clear. Yes, if I,
Yes.
yeah. So please note it down and then we do the third question. So whenever you have noted it down, so whenever you have noted it down, note it, Rifa.
Yes. Yes.
Now let us understand about the third question. Third was a different question. That is why. Okay, so what is the idea behind this third question? So in the third question, what is given? They have this is the following distribution, right? Shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. So and then the mean pocket allowance is RS80. So mean is already given. mean is already given, right? And you have to find out what is this unknown frequency. Missing frequency we have to find out, right? So what we will do is that whatever.
Sir, can you just wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, yes, of course, of course, yes.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes. Okay, so yeah, so we were talking about this third question, right? So we already know me, right? But in this question, we have to find out what is this mean. Missing frequency. So what mean is already given. So we will find out the process of finding out this mean, and then we'll see that how this question holds, right? So we have this class interval, right? So this is 11 to 13. This is 13 to 15. Then 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. So these are the things which are given, right? And what are the frequencies? So 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4, right? And then what are the class marks? So this is what we calculate, right? So what are the class marks? And then what is XIF or FIX? Okay, so let us find out what are the class marks. So this would be 12, 14, and then 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. These are the class marks. And FIXI would be how much? So 84, this is 84, this is how much? 144, this is 34, this is
234.
yeah, and then this is 110, and then this is 90. So these are the things that, and to calculate the mean, what do? To calculate the mean, we sum over all these fi, xi, and then we also find
Mhm.
out what is fi. So let us find out this. So this is how much? So this is 549 and then 9, 18, 18 plus, okay, so let us, this is 4 and this is 1 and 3, 44 plus 7. Right. So this is the summation of Fi. Understood? So this is 44 plus F. Right, Rifa?
Yes.
And then what is this summation of Fi xi? So this is 6, right? And then plus 20F, and then this is how much? 6 and this is 762. Right? Did I do any mistake or is this okay?
752, right?
752. Okay, so let us check that again. This is 22, and then we have okay, so 2 and then 7. So this is 752 plus 20, right? Now let us find out what is mean. So mean is Fixi, which is 752 plus 20F divided by 44 plus F. And we already know that what is mean. So mean we already know. So let us put
It's
this.
18.
Yeah, so it is 18. So let us put that value. So 18 is equal to 752 plus 20F divided by 44 plus F. So this is how much? 792 plus 18F. This is 752 plus 20F. Right?
You added 752 plus 20.
No, no, no. So this is I cross multiplied, right?
Oh, okay.
This is 18 by 1, so this multiplies with this one and then this multiplies. So now 792 and this comes in the left hand side and this 18F goes in the right hand side. So this is 40 and this is 2F. So F is 20. So this is the missing frequency. Is this clear, Rifa?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this was the idea of the question.
Again, not.
Yeah. So please put it down from here. Yes, whenever you have noted it down, please.
Scroll it down. Noted.
So now you see that whatever class interval we did up until now. So the lower limit, so you see that there is this lower limit and upper limit. So in the next class interval, in the succeeding class interval, this upper limit becomes the lower limit, right? In this case also, this 15 is the upper limit and then this becomes the lower limit. So this type of
Or
class
so
inter,
you
yes,
mean to say, like, if they are irregular class intervals, then we need to add 0.5 and negative 0.5, right?
yeah. So that is what, yeah. So if you have a that, yeah. So if you have a continuous class interval, then that is okay because we do all the calculations from the continuous class system,
Can you
right?
show it once? Because I maybe have like, can you show one question with an answer?
Ye- Yeah. So the next fifth question, this one, right? So we
Yeah.
have a class interval in which the upper limit is not the lower limit of the succeeding class, right? So these kind of class intervals, these kind of data are called the discontinuous data, right? So this is a discontinuous grouped data. But we do the calculations, all the theory, all the formula we have derived in the continuous data, right? So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. This is continuous. This is continuous. And this third one, this is also continuous. So we define all these central tendency from the continuous grouped data. But whenever we have these kind of discontinuous data, then we have to change it into the continuous one. So how do we do that? So as you have already told that we subtract 1 from the zero point 0.5 from the lower limit and add zero point 0.5 in the upper. So that is how we do. That is how we change the discontinuous data to the continuous one. So we have a discontinuous data, right? Discontinuous data. And this is how it is defined. So this is 50, 52, and then 53, 55, 56, 58, 59, 61, and 62, 64. So this is a discontinuous one. Then we have to change it to the continuous one. So we subtract zero point 0.5 from the lower limit. And then we add zero point 0.5 to the upper limit, right? Plus and minus. So let me write it in. So 50 and minus zero point 0.5. And then this is 52 and then plus zero point 0.5. So same process in all the classes. So this would become how much? So this would become 52.5 to 55.5. this would become 55.5 to 58.5, and this would become 58.5 to 61.5. This is 61.5 to 64.5. Right? So this is our class
Can
interval.
you put 59?
Yes,
You put 58.5, right? So there is 59.5 to
yeah. So
miss.
59 minus 0.5. So 0.5 subtracted, right?
Okay.
So now you see that this has become the continuous data. So this is, let me write it as this is 49.5 to 49.5 to 52.5. So subtract 0.5 in lower limit, right? And add 0.5 in upper limit. Okay. So now this is my new class interval. Understood, Rifa?
Yes.
So now we have to write Fi. So this would be Fi is how much? 15, and then 110, 135, 115, and 25. So when we calculate the class marks, so this would be how much? This would be 49.5 plus 52.5. So that is how much? So that is 2, and then this is 102. So that is 51, right? And this is 54. This is 57. This is 60, and then this is 60, right? So this is my class marks, and now I have to calculate the what? So let us calculate di. This is xi minus. So let us assume that this is the mean. So this is 51 minus 7. So that is minus 6. This is minus 3. This is 0. This is 3. This is 6. And now let us calculate ui, which is this is 3, right? So 52.5 and minus 49.5. So this is 0, and then this is 3. So this would be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. And then if we calculate FIUI, so this would be minus 30, minus 110, 0, 115, and 50. So summation of Fi, this is how much? How many there will this? They have not. So this is 20, and then and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 400. And what is this FIUI? So FIUI summation is, this is 165, and this is 140. So this is 25, right? Now we have to find out V. So this is A plus H FIUI divided by FI. So this is A is 57 plus H is 3 into 25 divided by 400. This is 6 5 fives are, and 8 is, so this is 16, right? So this would be how? So 57 plus 0 point, this is how much? 1, so 16 divided by 3.3164,
Is the answer 57.18?
57.1. Good. So, yeah. So, which method did you use? Direct method.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you calculated all these numbers by hand?
No, like for fast method, I just multiplied using a calculator, but
Mhm.
I added all of the numbers.
Yeah, yeah. Because you see in your examination hall, the calculator will not be allowed, right? So, yeah, we can see that from the step deviation method, we didn't use the calculator, right? Good. So, yeah, please note down this step deviation part, and then in the next class we will do mode, and in the next class after that one we will do median. So this chapter will be over. Okay. In this week, yeah, Sunday and Monday. So in this week this will become.
So this chapter will be completed by Saturday,
Yeah, this
or
is completed now, right? This exercise.
yeah, the mean is over. Mode is left, right?
Yeah,
Mode and
mode and
median.
median. Yeah. So mode and median both will take one class. So then,
After this, you will take probability.
yeah, probability. So probability will also take one class. So then your syllabus of the exam would be completed, right?
Yeah. I have this one question from linear equation. Can I
Oh,
say?
yes, yes. So what is the question? From the exercise.
No, it's from this guidebook. Like,
Oh, yeah. What is the question that you have?
one second, I'll just see. Yeah, the question is determine graphically the coordinates of the vertices of triangle. The equation of whose sides are given by 2y minus x equal to 8, 5y minus x equal to 14, and y minus 2x equal to.
Yeah. So what were the equations?
Um, First equation is 2y minus x equal to 8,
And
5y minus x equal to 14, and y minus 2x equal to 1. We have to find we have to determine graphically the coordinates of the vertices of triangle.
good. So y minus 2x is equals to 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us find the coordinate of these 2 points. So x equals to 0, right? X equals to 0. Let us find out what are the points. So x, y. X equals to 0. Your y is 4, and y equal to 0, right? Your x is minus 8, right? Yes. Is this clear?
Okay. So you minus. How did you get 4?
Yeah. So if I put x
Divided.
equals, yeah, if I put x equals to 0, x equals to 0 in this
Yeah.
case. So x is 0, your 2y equals to 8, right? So y is 2, so 4.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So, and then this one. So for this one, what are the points that you have? So you have x and y. So at x equals to, let's take, what should we take? X equals to 1, we should take, right? At x equals to 1, So
We
this
can take
is,
0 also, right?
yeah, we can take 0, but this would be, the answer would be in decimal. So that is difficult to plot in the class, right?
Okay.
So if we take x equals to 1, so 5y minus 1 is 40. So 5y is 14 plus 1, which is 15. So y is 3, right? This is one case. And then if you take x equals to, so if you take y equal to 2, right? If
Mm.
you take y equal to 2, so this is 5 into 2, right? And minus x, this is 40. So this is 10 minus x equals to 14. So minus x is 14 minus, right? This is 14 minus 10. So this is 4. So x is minus 4, right?
Okay.
And then let us find out this one. So what are the coordinate points? So again, x and y. So let us take, now this is simple. So x equals to 0 will give you y equal to 1, right? Correct?
Yeah.
And y equal to, let's take this as minus 1, right? Y is minus 1. Then your x is, so this is minus 1 minus 2x is 1. So minus 2x is 1 plus 1. So minus 2x is 2, x is minus 1. So x is minus 1, right? Okay, these are equal. This is minus 1, right? So minus 1, then this goes here, this becomes 2. So minus 2x equals to 2. So your, yeah, this is correct. Understood this point, Rifa? Are these points clear? Yes, Rifa, are these points clear?
Can I note it down?
Yeah, yeah, please note it down. Please note it down. Yes, whenever you have noted it down, please tell. Noted, Rifa. Yes, Rifa, did you note it down?
Yeah, finished answer. Yeah, noted.
So now you have all the points to draw, right? So first one is, let us, and we have to reach. So let us make a smaller point, right? So let us change, because this is minus 8 is a bigger number. So let us take a point so that we get a smaller. So let's take y equal to 2. right? Or we can also take one part. Let us take y equal to. So this we can also do. Y equal to 2. So this is 2 into 2, 4 minus x equal to 8. So minus x is 4. So x is minus, right? So x is minus 4. So this is a larger number. That is why I. Now let us draw these points. So we have, and on the graph paper, this would be right because this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus. Okay, now first we have to draw 0, comma 4. So 0, comma 4, this one, right? And then minus 4, comma 2. So this one. So this is one, this is one graph. Okay. And then we have this one. So x1, y3, x1, y3, this one. And then we have x minus 4, right? X minus 4 and y2. So this is again this point. So this is the graph, right? And on the graph paper, this would be, and the next one is x0, y1, x0, y1, this point, and then minus 1, minus 1. So this point, right? This point, minus 1, minus 1. So this is the point that you have. So if I draw this one, so this would be this one. So what is the triangle that is there? What is the triangle? This is the triangle, right? So the vertices of these triangle would be, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So you have to figure out what are these because on the graph paper this will be, so in the graph paper this will be clear, right? So these are the vertices. Is this point, are these clear? Rifa? Yes,
Yeah,
Rifa? Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
so you have to draw it on the graph paper, then it would be clear to understand. So please draw it in the graph paper and then you can write the vertices. So remember, these are the vertices. This one, and this one. This one you can clearly say that this is minus 4 and 2. This vertices. But this one, I don't know how much is this. And understood, Rifa?
Yeah, but yeah, okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
please try it on the graph paper and then please let me know if you are getting the answer.
Mm, okay. I tried it on the book, but
Yes,
it looks kind of confusing without a graph paper because the lines are
yeah, yeah.
many.
Write it in different colors. Draw the line, draw those three straight lines in different colors. Then that would be right.